my friend Tom and I. And I wrote the music. He wrote these words 40 years ago. And you know, at the time, they were so poignant. And I heard it, you know, a couple of months ago, and it makes no sense for what the fuck is going on out there in the world right now. And I'm so sorry, but it's fucked up, you know. There's some fucked up shit going on, and I just hope it works itself out. And I'd like to dedicate this song to all those displaced people who are struggling just to find a home or to get back to their home because some, excuse me, asshole is on some ego trip. I don't know what the fuck it is. I'm not political, but I can feel people's pain, okay? So this is a different kind of feel for this song, just so the words can ring out true. I want you to focus on the words, not so much the music. And it's like a waltz, and of course the version you're used to is a full-on anthem rocker. But the words work this way, I think, as well. So this is called Refugee. We got something, we both know it. We don't talk too much about it. There ain't no real big secret. All the same, somehow we get around it. It doesn't really matter to me. You believe if you wanna believe. Refugee. No, you don't have to live like a refugee. Somewhere, somehow, somebody must have kicked you around some. Why you want to lay there and rebel? And you're abandoned. It don't make no difference to me. Everybody had to fight to be free. So you don't have to live like a refugee. Oh. No, you don't have to live like a refugee. Yeah, baby, we ain't the first. Sure, a lot of other lovers been burned. It don't make no difference to me. You believe what you wanna believe. Somewhere, somehow, somebody must have kicked you around some. Who knows, maybe you were tied up, taken away, and held for ransom. It don't make no difference to me. Everybody had to fight to be free. See you down. You don't have to live like a refugee. Suspension. Thank you. Very good. You guys got soul.